Hello guys, here we have a new video. Me and my wife didn't have anything to do, so we came to visit this lake. It is called Black Lake. Here you can have a view of the wind, but the Mavic Mini didn't show any wobble or something like that. I guess the name Black Lake is because the water is pretty dark. You can see we have a pretty intense, pretty closed foliage, trees, pine trees mostly. We thought it would be beautiful to catch the sundown, but on the other hand, we had it on our faces and on camera. Here we are about 40 meters above the lake, giving a full perspective of the view. Some houses amidst the trees, mostly pine trees. Those are hotels and restaurants. I guess that one at the right might be from Airbnb because they're small lots. There in the background you can see a white thing out there on the horizon, and there's our house. This pan I'm doing right now is just for you to see the trees. Those trees that look flat, they are the Brazilian araucaria. It's a kind of pine tree that native from this area, so you cannot cut them here. You go to jail if you cut one of those pine trees called Brazilian araucaria. Look at the colors. We have some trail lines, so you can use your bike or walk by foot. So the trees are so heavy, so close to each other that you won't see the trails, but they are there. There's some ducks and other wildlife. I'm not sure if there is fish on that lake, but I guess there is because it's pretty clean. The water is dark because of the vegetation, but the water is pretty clean. Me and my wife and my dog, we are at the left down there. And some stairs, rock stairs. You're gonna see it later. Another pan. I do that many times because I'm amazed by these houses in the middle of the trees. There's another house, the hotel and restaurant. Those are those type of Swedish or French fondue hotels, restaurants. I'm doing that same round trip again because I had some 10 minutes battery lasting, so why not? And since the sun is a bit lower, it's not interfering so much. I would need a polarized filter and diffusers, but I don't have any. I don't even know where to buy those. Since we have this insulation, that quarantine, that those boats, pedal boats, are all locked in there, but people is walking, keeping some distance from each other. Some are using masks, and our state doesn't have such a big death toll yet. We are hoping that we're gonna pass this flattening the curve. Let's see. Almost the golden hour. The sun is already getting yellow. If you hear any background noises here, see some people down there? It's my wife watching soap opera. My dog is by my side, and the air conditioner sometimes do some clicks. This city is Gramado in the southernmost state of Brazil, and the climate is a bit cold here. That's why the houses look like European houses. It's an European settlement, mostly German and Italian, from the 1800s. And this is one of the towns that it got mixed. Germans and Italians living together is a very beautiful thing. My hometown, where I have a house, is mostly Germanic settlement. We have a mountain house on this town that is called Gramado up here, and this is like a highland city. I'm not sure, but I believe it is around 80 meters above sea level. I might be wrong. It could be like 280 or 300 meters. It's colder up here, and sometimes we have snow, so it's cool that it is in Brazil, but you have snow over here. I regret that the last time we had snow in this city, I didn't take any pictures of my house, so I could show you or show to the friends, but it's very rare, like once every decade. But it snows like in Europe. It's really cool. We're almost done. It's just 14 minutes of footage that I reduced. So you got here like 6 minutes of Gramado and the Black Lake. And there's some people walking down there. They're not scared yet because since they have no cases in the city, they are not fully aware that they shouldn't be so exposed. Some are not using masks and stuff. We are carrying masks and keeping distance, and we rarely leave home just for this kind of footage and taking care of each other. Take care out there. Leave some comments, suggestions. Tell me how can I improve these videos. And there's my dog. It looks like a Portuguese water dog, my wife. See you in the next video. And remember to leave a like. Bye bye.